Hi there, Mac here from Prestige Cars Kent. This is a quick video run-through tour of our 2017 Volkswagen Golf R we have new in stock. I'm just going to run through the specification of this vehicle, just pointing out some of the main standout features. To begin with, on the exterior, you can see our example is finished in the optional grey metallic paintwork. Our example is a DSG model and comes with the automatic gearbox. You have the Cadiz style gloss black and diamond turned alloy wheels, privacy glass for the rear windows, LED daytime running lights with the Bi-Xenon headlamps, LED tail lights, chrome exhaust pipe finishers, the unique Golf R exterior body styling, as well as the unique Golf R interior styling as well, with the Golf R front seats, including the full fabric upholstery. You get the flat bottom leather trimmed steering wheel with access to adaptive cruise control. All of the controls you would expect throughout the centre console with your sports modes, your multi-zone climate control, your heated front seats, and your touchscreen central display where you can access your DAB radio, your satellite navigation, and also your front and rear parking sensor display screen. The vehicle does also come with split folding rear seats and plenty of boot space available in the rear. If you'd like to know any more information about this car, would like to book a viewing or a test drive, please contact one of our sales team through the number provided at the end, or inquire through our website